Hi, my name is Lawrence James Cananan, and I will apply a problem-solving and statistical analysis to a real-life situation in our community. Many households in our community struggles with proper waste disposal and segregation. This leads to increased pollution, foul odors, and a health risk for residents. The problem matters because it affects our environment, hygiene, and overall well-being. To address this issue, I decided to conduct a short survey where population is all households in our community. But I selected a sample of 10 households for this project. I collected data on how many times per week each household properly segregates their waste.
This is the variable in my data. I also noted the frequency of each response. Here are the 10 data points I gathered. Number of days per week household segregates waste. 3544253142. Now let's analyze this data. The mean is equivalent to 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 10 is equivalent to 3.3. The median is equivalent to the arranged data of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. The middle values are 3 and 4. So, median is equivalent to 3.5. The mode is equivalent to 4 because it appears most frequently.
The result shows that on average household segregates their waste only 3 to 4 times per week, and some only once or twice. This tells us that there's still a need to improve awareness and consistency in our waste segregation. To help solve this issue, we recommend
more community educational campaigns, providing free or affordable trash bins for sorting, and implementing local policies or rewards for consistent segregation.
In conclusion, by applying logical reasoning, statistical method, and POLIA steps, we were able to be better understand and find solution to a local problem. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.